available for you guys. And if you're wondering why I'm stressing that, the next game is going to be awesome, to say the least. It's UST against Ateneo, two of the most popular teams, I guess. And if you're gonna rank them, I guess UST would be one and Ateneo would be two in terms of popularity and fan attraction.
UST has probably been, if in terms of leading in terms of timelines, UST
Yes,
must be an early favorite from the fans from when the first televised league started.
That's
I
true.
think UST yung isa sa pinakamaraming fans. But Ateneo, of course, has really started to gain following also from fans, not just those from Ateneo,
True.
but also those from other schools.
Kahit sa Facebook nga lang, makikita mo ang daming Ateneo fans, and they're boosting that with shirts and paraphernalia about the team. But also a very, very close second. As you see, Masangkay with the dump on the second touch. Lasal din, napakadami ding fans every time they're on the court. Lasal fans come out in full force. Take a look at this beautiful play.
Right smack in the middle. No defense there for the Lady Maroons. Actually, I'm looking around the arena right now, and I'm expecting that later, marami talagang UST fans because I can see yellow balloons already at the bleachers.
You pointed that out kanina. Ang dami nga. For the UST fans here, solid roof of a block from UP.
Oh, a net violation.
Yeah, they can't finish the play.
11-5.
Enido touching the net. These are the errors that you don't want to commit at this point, especially there are the yellow balloons.
Ni Ann. Na nabanggit niya
Hihingi
kanina.
ako mamaya ng yellow balloon.
UE with more than double the output already of UP here in set number one. The tip by Lucette Dawis.
And it's really the defense of UP that is giving UE an easy time in scoring. Look at this.
Score 5. UP 12.
Timeout by UP. Let's listen to Coach Jarod.
Mag-move tayo dun sa area natin pero hindi natin titinan kung saan nagagaling yung bola. So, pati nare-recover. Diba? Transition, movement, right after nakatak, pwesto agad para maka-recover tayo ng tama. Sau, tsaka Jessa, yun ang problema. Tara, let's go.
Pag-repeat yung kaluin mo sa akin. Gawa tayo. You pick! Sinusubol mo lang yung kaluin.
The last play that you saw, I guess, epitomizes the why UP is ranked last in digging. Hindi ganun ka-steep yung tip ni Lucette Dawis that time, pero the defense of UP masyado talagang butas in so many places on the court, ano?
That's right. And normally you would see instant movement from the defense, but here may tendency mapako yung paa nila, so it takes them a while to actually read the offense or the drop ball of UE.
May konting split-second delay, ano? That
And
costs them.
it matters.
Of course. I mean, we've seen several times how many players do pancake saves.
Yes.
That's split second, mahuli ka na lang with a
Wala
pancake
na.
save, wala na, di mo naabutin. As you take a look at Dawis' back-to-back points here, the block was there, but that went out of bounds. 13-5 in set number one in favor of UE. Las Marias is blocked. Another point para sa UE.
Oh, and this time she actually touched the net. So a lot of these errors really plaguing the Lady Maroons.
The switch up in the setters really has not been a factor for UP here in set number one. Southland Ramos.
So UP, of course, hoping that that last attack from Southland Ramos could be the spark plug that they need. Remember, in their last game, it was actually Ramos that performed well, scoring 13 points.
That halted the skid a little bit para sa UP. Chiesa Nebrida. Another poor reception for UP. This will be a free ball. Oh, not even, as Ramos unable to keep it in play. Serving 6 in set number one. What a start for the Lady Warriors of University of the East. Enido, though, looking to spark itong UP. But these moments of brilliance are, you know, very, very few so far here in set number 1 para sa UP.
It has been rare mainly because of service reception. But yun they can see that kung maganda lang ang service reception nila, they actually have plays that could get them the points.
That killer serve coming from Southland Ramos. We've talked about it last week. Kasama ko si Ivy on almost a similar occasion yung UP and UE din, ano? And this serve really has been deadly for opposing teams in season 74.
Look at that. Excellent floater there for Ramos.
The form, the power, what a combination.
Oh. Henido wasn't in position to put that ball over.
She had the right idea, but she could not keep it in play as UE gets 16 to UP's 8 in set number 1.